Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things luxury. We're here to be your reliable source of information for luxury estates, high-end vehicles, and the lifestyle that comes with them. Our mission? To bring you the most varied, interesting, and engaging content that you can find. We know that the world of luxury can be as daunting as it is dazzling, and that's why we're here to guide you through it. Whether you're an established connoisseur or a curious newcomer, there's something here for everyone. We'll delve into the details of opulent estates, explore the intricacies of the finest automobiles, and even give you a glimpse into the lifestyle that goes hand in hand with such grandeur. So buckle up and prepare for a journey into the world of the extraordinary. Today, we're focusing on luxury cars, specifically what you need to know before buying one. First things first, understanding your financial situation. Buying an expensive car isn't just about the sticker price. It's about considering the overall costs, such as maintenance, repairs, and insurance. So before you start dreaming about those heated leather seats and that top-of-the-line sound system, it's crucial to take a hard look at your finances. Start by creating a realistic budget. Consider your income, your expenses, and how much you can afford to spend on a car payment each month. Remember, financial experts generally suggest that your car payment shouldn't exceed 15 to 20% of your take-home pay. Next, factor in future costs. Luxury cars often come with luxury maintenance costs. Can you afford the upkeep? Additionally, how will you finance your car? Will you pay cash, get a loan, or lease? Each option has its pros and cons. Remember, a luxury car is an investment, treat it as such. Next up, researching the car's value. When it comes to buying an expensive car, one can't stress enough the importance of understanding its true worth. A car's value is not just about the shiny exterior or the plush interiors, but a complex calculation involving factors like the brand, model, age, mileage, and condition of the car. Furthermore, depreciation is a silent player that significantly impacts a car's value. It's a common adage that a car loses value the moment it leaves the dealership. And it's true. Cars, especially luxury ones, depreciate at a rapid pace. Over the first 5 years, a new car can lose about 60% of its total value. Therefore, researching a car's value and understanding depreciation rates can give you a realistic picture of what you're investing in. This can help you negotiate a fair price and prevent you from overpaying. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to the value of your potential car. Third on our list, considering the cost of maintenance. This isn't just about fuel economy or how much it costs to change the oil. When it comes to luxury cars, maintenance costs can skyrocket. We're talking about more than just routine checkups and oil changes here, folks. Luxury vehicles often require specialized care, from expensive parts to highly trained mechanics. Consider this, a set of brakes for a high-end sports car can cost upwards of $1,000. A transmission rebuild, you're looking at several thousands. And let's not forget about the cost of premium fuel and tires. These costs add up, and they can certainly take a toll on your wallet. So when you're eyeing that shiny luxury car, remember, the cost doesn't stop at the sticker price. You're also committing to its care and upkeep. A luxury car's price tag extends beyond the initial purchase. So factor in those maintenance costs before you sign on the dotted line. Moving on to our fourth point, checking the car's history. This step is crucial, and here's why. The history of a car is like its biography, telling a story that can give you insight into potential future performance. It's the record of everything that's happened to the car, from accidents to repairs to routine maintenance. Think of it this way. A car that has been consistently serviced and maintained is likely to give you fewer headaches down the line. On the other hand, a car with a history of accidents or major repairs could be a red flag, indicating potential issues in the future. We advise obtaining a detailed report from a trusted source. This report should include information about the car's previous owners, mileage verification, and any reported accidents or damage. Remember, a car's past can impact its future, and you want to ensure you're investing in a vehicle with a clean slate. A car's history can reveal a lot about its future. Halfway through our list, we have test driving the car. One of the most pivotal aspects of the car buying process is the all-important test drive. This is where you get to know the car intimately, where you feel the power of the engine, the response of the brake system, the comfort of the seats, the smoothness of the ride. It's not just about performance, it's also about how the car makes you feel. Are you comfortable in the driver's seat? Does the car handle well? How does it respond to your commands? These are all factors that can only truly be assessed when you're behind the wheel. And the test drive isn't just about comfort and performance, it's also a chance to spot any potential issues. Are there any strange noises? Does the car pull to one side? Remember, when it comes to buying an expensive car, there's no substitute for first-hand experience. 7th on our list, verifying the car's authenticity. You might be wondering why this is crucial. Well, let's dive into it. When you're investing a significant amount in a luxury vehicle, the last thing you want is to discover later on that it's not what it was claimed to be. This is where vehicle identification numbers, or VINs, become your best friend. This unique code is like the car's fingerprint. It can tell you where and when the car was made, its model, and much more. Now let's talk paperwork. It's not the most exciting part of the process, we know, but it's essential. Make sure every document related to the car is legitimate and up to date. This includes things like the title, registration, and maintenance records. Remember, an expensive car is a significant investment. You wouldn't buy a house without verifying its authenticity, would you? The same principle applies here. Ensure you're getting what you pay for. Next, considering insurance costs. When it comes to owning a luxury car, insurance is certainly not a corner you want to cut. Higher-end vehicles often come with higher insurance premiums due to their value, cost of parts, and potential desirability to thieves. It's crucial to remember that the more expensive the car, the more it will typically cost to insure. Some luxury cars can cost several hundred, even thousands of dollars more per year to insure compared to more modest vehicles. So before you solidify your decision on that shiny new sports car or luxury SUV, make sure you've factored in the potential insurance costs. Get a few quotes from different insurance companies to gauge what you might be paying annually. Remember, insurance protects you and your investment. It's a necessary expense, but with careful consideration and shopping around, it doesn't have to break the bank. Insurance is a must, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Near the end of our list, understanding the car's features. The allure of a luxury car isn't just about its sleek design or the prestige it carries. It's also about the advanced technology, safety features, and luxury amenities that come along with it. Let's delve into these. Firstly, technology. From cutting-edge infotainment systems to adaptive cruise control, luxury cars are often equipped with the latest tech that adds to your driving experience. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these features to fully enjoy your ride. Next, safety features. These cars often come with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist or automatic emergency braking. Understanding these features not only ensures your safety but also adds value to your investment. Lastly, luxury amenities. Think heated seats, panoramic sunroofs, or high-end sound systems. These are the features that truly make a car luxurious. So when buying a luxury car, make sure you're getting all the amenities you desire. Luxury cars come with luxury features. Make sure you know them all. Finally, some closing thoughts. We've journeyed through the crucial elements to ponder before purchasing an expensive car. We started by understanding our financial situation, ensuring that we're in a sound position to make such a significant investment. We then delved into researching the car's value, considering the cost of maintenance, and the importance of checking the car's history. We can't stress enough the value of a test drive to really get a feel for your potential new ride. We also talked about verifying the car's authenticity and understanding the implications of insurance costs, which can be substantial for luxury vehicles. Lastly, we discussed the importance of understanding the car's features, ensuring they align with your lifestyle and preferences. Remember, buying a luxury car is a big decision. Take your time, do your research, and make sure it's the right choice for you. And don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more luxury lifestyle content.